Minar-e-Pakistan is a tower located in Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan. The tower was built between 1960 and 1968 on the site where the All India Muslim League passed the Lahore Resolution, which was later called the Pakistan Resolution, on 23 March 1940, the first official call for a separate and independent homeland for the Muslims of British India, as espoused by the two-nation theory. The resolution eventually helped lead to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. The tower is located in the middle of an urban park called the Greater Iqbal Park. The tower reflects a blend of Mughal Islamic and modern architecture. The tower was designed and supervised by Nasreddin Murad Khan, a Russian-born Pakistani architect and civil engineer. The minaret provides a panoramic view to visitors who can access the top by climbing up the stairs or by means of an elevator. The tower base is shaped like a flower. The area surrounding the monument is covered with parks and flowers. The location is often used for political and religious events. It is also known as the Liberty Tower of Pakistan. The base is about 8 meters above the ground. The tower rises about 62 meters on the base, and the total height of the minar is about 70 meters above the ground. The unfolding petals of the flower-like base are 9 meters high. The diameter of the tower is about 9.75 meters. The rostrum is built of patterned tiles and faces Badshahi Mosque. The base consists of 4 platforms. To symbolize the humble beginning of the struggle for freedom, the first platform is built with uncut stones from Taxila, the second platform is made of hammered stones, and the third platform is made of chiseled stones. Polished white marble used for the fourth and final platform depicts the success of the Pakistan movement.